This is very addictive drink. Keep in mind. I am in heaven. Hello and welcome back to our channel, Farah's Family Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you one of our customers' favorite drink at Taj Mahal, which is Mai Chai, which normally in America is called chai tea. This is very addictive drink. Keep in mind, Mai Chai at Taj Mahal is very simple. Our ingredients are cardamom, saffron, which is saffron, sugar and milk, fresh ginger root. Also, the main thing is the black loose tea. My favorite brand is Brook Bond Red Label. Now let's get started. Here we go. Then we're gonna make 3 cups of tea. We have 12 ounces of water. Our chai is cardamom. I kind of break them a little bit. What I use for 3 cups of chai, 3 tablespoons of organic sugar, and then I have 3 tablespoons of black tea leaves, 3 cardamoms. Break them. Some fresh ginger root, a pinch saffron. The saffron is such a beautiful thing, but if you want to use saffron, make sure start it with the minimum, the least, just a pinch. Alright, since we got all the ingredients in, we will take it to the stove. From time to time, I normally stir it a little bit. We wait till it boils. Once it starts boiling, then we can add 12 ounces of milk in it. To get the milk, I use normally same amount of milk because I like my chai a little thick. Here we go. Saffron is very sensitive. Like it can ruin your chai if it is more than what it needed in it. So be careful on saffron. Our chai is ready now, and I am ready to pour it in. So here we go. I'm going to just pull out a little bit. There. I am making chai. Would you like to drink some chai today? Yeah. Okay, I'll get you some. There you go. There you go. I don't want to call it a cup of chai. I'm going to say mug of chai. Ah, delicious. We take a sip. I am in heaven. Taj Mahal's chai is the best in the world.